47 in Boston right now, feeling that nice mild air still locked in place. And even as you move inland, low to mid 40s this morning, not a bad start. We have Needham right now at 43 degrees where our WCVB studio is located. Upper 30s to low 40s as you move west of 495. Bright blue sky. It's hard to even find a cloud in that sky this morning, but there's that wind, and that's something to watch today. Right now it's out of the west at 16 miles per hour, but we have that gust to watch as well. Here's one that we're watching out of Worcester, picking up quite a bit. So that sustained wind will increase to about 20 miles per hour, and that will be steady through the afternoon and evening. And then on top of that, a wind gust, which will likely reach near 30 miles per hour today. That is going to combine to make it feel a bit cooler as you're heading out later this morning and this afternoon. In fact, here's a look, and temperature-wise, we're actually going to stay pretty steady for this afternoon, not going to gain any degrees. In fact, we're in those mid to upper 40s right through the middle of the day. As we approach sunset, losing a few degrees and then really dropping off tonight, we'll see many locations down in the 20s. Here's our high forecast for today, and really this is your afternoon forecast because technically our high temperature for Boston is something that we saw early this morning. It was in the 50s waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Now it's 48 degrees, and that's likely where we'll stay through the afternoon. Low to mid 40s as you move toward areas inland. Moving down toward the Cape, could see a few spots hit 50 this afternoon, including Hyannis. Windy still tonight, but the more significant impact will be that chill as we drop down below freezing, many of us down in the mid 20s. And then that sets us up for a cooler outlook tomorrow. Mid to upper 30s, struggling to hit 40 for Boston, low 40s heading down toward New Bedford. So a little bit more of a chill as you're heading out for that St. Patrick's Day forecast and of course for the parade. But hey, you don't need the umbrella, and it won't be an extreme chill as we will top out near 40 degrees. Heading into Monday, more clouds, but nothing in the way of rain or snow as a very weak system will be missing us to the south. And so it's a very dry stretch as we kick off spring on Wednesday. Even on Friday, looking a little windy. There's a cold front that's going to be moving through, and it's going to be a little cooler and a bit windier as we head into Friday afternoon and evening, but still looking like it's a mainly dry outlook for the next 7 days. For Storm Team 5, I'm meteorologist Kellyanne Chicalise.